Hello and welcome to Natural Beauty Tips. Today, I am going to share an amazing video to show how to reduce your lips size naturally at home. In this video I am going to share 2 natural home remedies to make your lips smaller. For the first remedy, mix 1 teaspoon alum powder with 1 teaspoon glycerin. Then apply this mixture on your lips daily for 3 to 4 times. For the second remedy, peel a cucumber and grate it. Then strain the juice with the help of a strainer. Apply this juice on your lips or simply slice of cucumber, rubbing it against your lips to let the juice to immerse on. It will make your lips pinkish and slimy. Don't forget to like the video and do share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.